Hey guys, welcome to another exam time for basic Chinese, and the content for today's exam will continue being random. So make sure that you have watched all of our videos to do better in this exam. The first question, which one is the hanzi of Fu Xi? Do you guys still remember? A is 复习 B 张家 C 老师 D 生气 and 复习 is A. The next question, which one is the hanzi of Taiwan? You can try to guess first. A 美国 B 台湾 C 无聊 D 难过 and Taiwan is B. The next one, which one is the hanzi of 容易? I will give you time to think first. A is 害羞 B 忠明 C 承诺 D 容易 and 容易 is D. Another question here. Which one is the hanzi of 拜拜? I will explain it later. A 星星 B 夜夜 C 拜拜 D 谢谢 and 拜拜 here is C. Moving on to the next question. Which one is the hanzi of 午安? Which one do you think is the right answer? A is 你好 B 午安 C 今天 D 新娘 and B is the right one. Moving on to the next one. Which one is the hanzi of 停? Is it A, B, C or D? A 听 B 时 C 停 D 吵 and C is the correct one. Moving on to another question for today. Which one is the hanzi of 摩托车? And which one do you think is correct, guys? A is 摩托车 B 听不懂 C 了不起 D 来得及 and A is the correct answer for this question. And the last question for today. Which one is the Hanzi of 鼓掌? Which one do you think is the right one? It's okay if you guys cannot remember. You can try to guess. A is 短袜 B 钱包 C 目的 D 鼓掌 and D here is the right one. And that's all for today's exam. And it wasn't that difficult, right? I'll see you guys on our next lesson. Bye!